Hi crafty friends, it's Jane here from Crafting with Miss Jane. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you one of the brand new scrapbooking kits called Celebrate Together from the annual catalogue. This is the May 2025 to April 2026 brand new catalogue that came out this month, and I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator from Gold Coast, Australia. So welcome to my scrapbooking and crafting and card making obsession. So let me show you the beautiful pages I have created. I was waiting so patiently for these beautiful kits to come out, and you can find the scrapbooking workshop kits in the beginning of the catalogue. We have 4 to choose from. I recently got this one, Memories in Bloom, which I've nearly finished creating. There's also Totally Sweet. There is Weekend Adventures, and there is this one I'm going to show you today, Celebrate Together. And I loved this one because it had beautiful bright colors, and it also has some beautiful wine glasses, which we're definitely celebrating. And I love florals, as you all know. So these particular workshop kits, this one is 65 Australian dollars. You get step-by-step instructions, 9 sheets of designer series paper, 2-tone cardstock. You get 8 sheets, 4 sheets of white cardstock, stickers and die cut images. You get 3 full sheets, and you get placeholders. So it's really great value for money. The colors are Blackberry Bliss, Cloud Cover, which is a brand new color, Daffodil Delight, Fresh Freesia, Pool Party, and Strawberry Slush. And can I tell you that one of my favorite new colors at the moment is Strawberry Slush, and I got my very first Stampin' Up stamp pad, and I absolutely love this color, so I highly recommend it. But I will show you all of the other colors using my little beautiful in color bookmark that Denise Tarlington made me, my upline. We went to a team scrapbooking get together, and I made a lot of pages and cards, and so I wanted to show you guys what I have created. So these are the beautiful new in colors for 2025 to 2027. You'll see this a lot in all of our artwork. It is Strawberry Slush, Timid Tiger, Darling Duckling, Cloud Cover, and Secret Sea, and a lot of them actually appear in this particular paper suite. So you can also individually, if you don't want to buy the scrapbooking workshop kit, you can buy the individual pieces here. So you've got the stamp set, you have the Celebrate Together 12x12 paper, and then you have the Celebratory Sips 12x12 designer series paper, and you can also get the sticker sheet as well. So I'll show you that paper at the end of this video, but let's have a look at the layouts I have created. This is what the kit looks like when you purchase the kit. You get it in a little bag, and you get all the bits and pieces. I have still some beautiful paper and some embellishments and some placeholders left over, so I can definitely make another layout, which is exciting, or I could make some cards. And these are the instructions which you will love. I pretty much followed this to the T. I just swapped a lot of the elements around, and then I did swap the titles to match my photos, so that was a little bit easier. So but I did actually cut up using the cutting guide. It didn't take very long. This you only cut up a few pieces of paper and then cut up cardstock. I have changed some of the orientations of the photos as well to match the photos that I have. So this is the first layout I created. It's really beautiful. I put the Sip Sip Hooray title on there, the little umbrella, and then you've got the little drinks here, which is really cute. I used one of the little gold circles from the Impressions of Bloom online exclusive, so that's the only thing I've really added. And I've added the little flat pearls, the little in color flat pearls, but everything else came from the kit. And then I love how that's you can add journaling boxes. So I've got 2 little journaling boxes here. I've added a few little extra words from one of the brand new stamp sets that I also received, this is really, really pretty. I absolutely love these gorgeous drinks and these beautiful colors. They're so gorgeous. So that is layout number 1. And this was a team dinner that we went to. This was the white party we had with our on-stage event, which was in March. And I absolutely love girls' weekends. They're my absolute favorite. But when it's a girls' weekend and we're talking all about scrapbooking and crafting and card making, it's even more exciting. So this was our first ever Stampin' Up on-stage event in March in Brisbane at the Convention Centre, and we just loved it. This was our team dinner, and this was our white party, which we were all dressed up in white on the first day. This is day number 2, and these are, and this is the second layout from this scrapbooking workshop kit, and I just absolutely love it. As you can see, I've kind of changed my photos to suit, and I've swapped up the title, and I have swapped some of the embellishments. I've added a few other little words there, and I'll show you where they are in the catalogue too. And this particular page, I've put a flip flap on here. So I've got two flip flaps. I have got a 4x6 flip flap, and I also have a 4x4 flip flap. But this is just another way to add more photos to your layouts. These will actually go on the outside of the page protectors. So if you have an event where you have lots of photos but you don't want to do too many layouts, you can just add the flip flaps. So you see the beautiful detail, and these are all the die cuts and the stickers that came with the kit. These pages came together really quickly, and they were so simple, but you've got the beautiful diagonal designs there. Oops, just get that out of the way. So that was layout number 2. I think that one's my favorite. Let me know in the comments below which layout is your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. And then this is actually day 1 of our convention. This is the start. This is all of our team. And I wanted to include some more extra photos in the little flip flaps there. And then I've got a photo with me with the new catalogue, and then my friends that I was traveling with, Kirsty and Denise. It's just so fun to go on these girls' weekend trips, and I just can't tell you enough how much the Stamping Up community have really welcomed all of us close to my heart makers when our company closed last year. We've just been so welcomed, and it's been so fun the last year. We're actually celebrating our 1-year anniversary with Stamping Up, so that's very exciting. So this was the final pages for this kit. So I absolutely love them. They're really, really beautiful. I swapped up some of these. I actually did keep the drinks. So every single one of these layouts, oops, I'm so sorry. Each one of these layouts had drinks on them. I didn't use the little lemons. This one, I used the drinks on here, and this one had drinks as well, but we weren't drinking it every single day. So I actually just changed this layout up, and I put a little bit of the extra pattern paper that I had down the sides of here, and I just changed the journal boxes and added my own just kind of rearranged the floral designs a little bit differently so that I didn't include this cluster. But that's what I love about these scrapbooking kits, is that it's just a starting point, and you can alter and change the layouts to whatever you like. So if you wanted to create your own scrapbook pages, you could grab this DSP, and I have grabbed this so that I can make some cards and some layouts. It's called Celebratory Sips 12x12 Designer Series paper, and you can grab the sticker sheet as well. Really great value because the papers are so beautiful. I wanted to show you them up close. I got the 2025 to 2027 in color flat pearl dots as well, which are really beautiful, and I've used them on my layouts as well. The beautiful strawberry slush is one of the new in colors too, but look how beautiful these are. These are the subtle patterns that are on the back. This pink tone is my absolute favorite, but when you turn the papers over, you can see all these beautiful prints, and you have to see them up close and personal. You can fussy cut these out if you want to, or you can use them on your layouts. Like, how beautiful are these papers? This one is really, really pretty. I love this floral design. These are my favorite bright colors. This one's really gorgeous, this subtle purple, all the different shades of purple with the green tones. And then this one, you can die cut these shapes out, and you can die cut them with the drinks. There's also the Celebratory Sips stamp and die cuts as well. And then this one is the hero paper. This is really beautiful. Look at these gorgeous drinks. You can actually cut these out. And I'll show you a card that we made at our team launch event, and this was designed by my upline Denise Tarlington. And how pretty is this? This is a time to celebrate beautiful card, and you can see all we've done is stamped with some of the new in colors in the background with this beautiful background stamp, and then we've added a little layered die cut shape, and then we've just fussy cut the flowers out. So you fussy cut the flowers, you fussy cut the drinks out, and then you pop them on your cards. And so just makes really simple, easy cards, super fun and festive. I'm sure everybody would love to appreciate a card like that. I just wanted to show you some of the other beautiful cards that we created at our team event. This is a really beautiful card with the corrugated embossing folder that's brand new, and the strawberry slush cardstock. You can see it in all its glory there. And then this was a beautiful little card that Denise gave me. It's called Sending a Little Sweetness Your Way, and that uses the paper from the celebratory sips, and this is another beautiful card that we also made. That's a wrap from my craft room today. I hope you enjoyed this layout share using celebratory sips. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube so I can go live. So if you want to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below which one is your favorite layout today, that would be awesome. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy crafting!